Hi, my name is Ain Syuhadah. Welcome to my video resume. Greeting employees, my name is Ain Syuhadah Binti Halim. I am 23 years old and I came from Raus, Selangor. I am graduated from Universiti Teknikal Malaysia Melaka, Diploma in Manufacturing Engineering with CGPA of 3.73. Now, I am going my Bachelor study in Manufacturing Engineering Universiti Teknikal Malaysia Melaka with CGPA of 3.64. During my degree internship, I had experience working with Hefted Global Sdn Bhd for 3 months in Department of Engineering. As a trainer, I was assigned to do wiring PLC panel and installation machine. In 2018, I had experience working at OMI Sdn Bhd in Department of Quality Control. I managed to do the cycle time for every process in this company for troubleshooting. Throughout my diploma study, I have obtained the Dean List Award for 5 semesters. Besides for diploma final year project, me and my partner managed to be listed as top 10 best screen product known as Spark Bike. If I would describe me in 3 words, it would be active, patient, and fast learner. Furthermore, during my university life, I love to be an active person. I have done various sport competitions such as Varsity Cycling Challenge, Kejohanan Piala Ketua Menteri Melaka, Junior Cycling Challenge, and Sukan Antara Fakulti. Through organization and programs that I have joined such as leadership and society program, I able to improve my communication skills, at the same time expand the circle of friendship. Moreover, I am capable to use software of Microsoft Office, Adobe Illustrator, AutoCAD, CATIA, Fusion 360, Filmora, and many more. So, why you should hire me? This is because with my experience working in other company, passion and eager to learn new things, I think you won't regret to hire me as your employee. If you are interested in hiring me, you can reach me at my LinkedIn and my email. Thank you for your time and hope to see you again.